friends, welcome to my new blog. Today is a great day because today is the last day of English training. The class has been going on 3 days and I am pursuing with those class, and I am going with Kisan sir, and I will show you today's many programs and cultural events and activities. So let's go, friends.
At least 5 to 6 things about you, और उसमें से एक दो आप लोग को लाइव ही डाल देना चाहिए। 7 चीज बताएंगे अपने बारे में, तो 7 चीजों में से बाकी 5 चीज सही रखिए और 2 चीज ऐसे रखिए जो ठीक है। बाकी सबको गेस करना है कौन सा लाइव। क्लियर?
Yes, you can imagine that she is ghost.
I am a teacher.
Yes, right.
I am 20-year-old.
This lady also,
I
right?
live in Vinda.
Right.
I am playing football.
Yes, wrong, right. Wrong.
No. Playing football ही खेलता है.
Cricket.
No, madam. Only singing, dancing, and flute, harmonium, तबला, काफी दूसरा बजाना भी. I am not interesting to music.
Wrong.
My qualification is MSc Hindi literature.
So how could we in the literature?
Thank you.
Ranjit sir is on the way.
Not many things to learn from him, and there is no boundary. I think whatever the things we can learn from sir, and it is a great experience, sir, to work with.
He is my partner. He is my crime partner. I should use the word. And we have been together. हमारे शिक्षकों को थोड़ा सा और प्रेरित करें और उसके बाद हम आज के कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करेंगे और हम स्टेज सौंप देंगे आपके लिए साथियों को
जो आज के कार्यक्रम में एंकर हैं।
बड़ी प्रसन्नता हुई इस कक्ष में आने के बाद जब यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि आप सबके बीच में जैसे मैंने भी इंग्लिश पढ़ा है लेकिन समझ तो कुछ अंश तक समझ रहा हूँ, किंतु यहाँ पर आप लोगों ने इस ट्रेनिंग में जिस तरह से यहाँ पर बातचीत हो रही है इसको लेकर के बहुत प्रसन्नता हो रही है। मैं सर्वप्रथम हमारे टीआरटी सामान्य छात्रों का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ, हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। साथ ही समस्त विद्यालय से यहाँ पर पधारे हुए सामान्य शिक्षकगण शिक्षिकागण आप सबका भी हार्दिक अभिनंदन, हार्दिक स्वागत। निश्चित रूप से मेरी अनुभव रही है, मैं आपको होंगे कहीं 3 होंगे है ना, लेकिन आपको यहाँ 5 दिन विगत 5 दिनों में जो माहौल मिला ये ऐसे ही नहीं मिला है ना, ये संयोग है जब आपने यहाँ 5 दिन आया और 5 दिन में मैं निश्चित रूप से कह सकता हूँ कुछ न कुछ यहाँ से आप ग्रहण करके जा रहे हैं, है कि नहीं? कुछ न कुछ हमको इस तरह की सामूहिकता में सीखने की अवसर मिलता है। आदमी का उत्साह होना चाहिए, व्यक्ति का उत्साह होना चाहिए, उसमें सीखने की तलब होनी चाहिए, तो निश्चित रूप से सीखते हम लोग सारी जीवन सीखते ही जाएंगे। तो
Thanks all of you, and this is our first attempt to do this. So now let's come to our whatever we had done in 4 days. Now try to assess. Okay, ma'am. Baby ma'am, have you seen the DDLJ?
Yes, sir, I have seen the DDLJ.
So whose performance was the good?
Sir, I think Shah Rukh Khan was the best.
So how you assess that?
By giving feedback,
So let's have to take the feedback for our mentor. Last 4 days we had spent with our mentor. So I would like to call Mr. Roshan Soni sir for their valuable feedback.
Sir, and my respected all MPs and all of my teachers and men. 4 days spoken training is presentation by me. 5 days. And the Roma ma'am and Pranjal sir, I motivated activity and many groups divided by activities. So I very thrilling activity was done our master trainer, which I really liked.
Assistant teachers, I hosted Women Girls Hostel here. I am Sarita Sonani. I am assistant teacher. I hosted in Pakistan Primary School, Khaswara, Karani.
Sir, play.
sandwich
And
and music.
hot tea we already served you, and delicious food is waiting for you. Now it's time for the music.
So I would like to stage Mr. Roshan Soni sir by flute. So guys, give a big round of applause for Mr. Roshan Soni sir.
assistant teacher PS Jampara Milmunda. My cluster name is Gullu Bahar. I dedicate song is my all master trainers.
Thank you, sir. It's been kind enough.
क्योंकि मैं एक हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँ सर कि जिससे हम सीखते हैं उसका एहसान तो बहुत ज़्यादा है और इसको हम कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे। जिसके लिए हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं उन बच्चों के लिए, वो आप हमारे लिए इतना मेहनत किए, तो मैं आप सभी के लिए आई डेडिकेट ऑल एमटी।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Without dance, we get bored. So I would have to like group dance in Mode Chhattisgarh Mehtari by Sahu Ma'am and group. Give a big round of
बढ़ा दो बोला बोलना सुनाई नहीं आ रहा बोलिए बढ़ाना है
particular in this room. They come time to time and they are giving their performance. Now it's time to call Mr. Om Prakash Sahu sir for their valuable comment.
Good afternoon, sir.
I really nowadays the open English training very encouragement and inspiration. My all master trainers and dear friends. Just a 2-minute thought. So I carefully listening. My thought is there must be someone who told you aloud. There must be someone who told you aloud, and there will be aloud if you told yourself aloud. There will be aloud if you told yourself aloud. तो होगा जरूर जिन्होंने तुम्हें बहुत कुछ कहा, कुछ तो होगा जरूर जिन्होंने तुम्हें बहुत कुछ कहा, और बहुत कुछ होगा अगर तुम्ही ने तुम्ही को खूब कहा।
Like to stage for tour dance
Performed by Sulochana and
Sulochana ma'am and group.
Thank you.
for the incredible 4-day spoken English training. This 4 days training started with Guru Vanna and stayed from Arpa Valley to Bihar. In this 4 day of training, by our master trainer Adam sir and Vicky ma'am, they were even training in spoken English through many activities. Find your theme, guessing game, speak non-stop, singing presentation, guessing the leader.
For this Shivan and his group for performing in their poem.
Posted in Biharpara Makri. My name is Jasmine Ekam. My posting Kanya Sakharov. My name is Jasmine Ekam. I took care of the private investment in Makri. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let's all march. March, march, march. Give your body charge. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Jump, jump, jump. Let's all jump. Jump, jump, jump. Make your muscle pump. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Punch, punch, punch. Yes, all punch. Punch, punch, punch. Have you hearty munch? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes.
I would like to call Mr. Soni sir for he would perform a song.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh.
Performance is by Om Prakash Sewak.
Yeah.
Everything is
Okay.
possible.
Do anybody knows the similarity between the Punjab and Chhattisgarh? It's a very awkward question, but it's a tricky.
What is the similarity?
What is the similarity between the Chhattisgarh and Punjab? Five. Punjab.
Fine. Okay, very good. Done.
Okay. Now, valuable feedback.
Listen to me carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
I have studied in Hindi medium and had passing marks in English from 6th to 12th. And I don't like English because I was not interested in this subject.
That earlier.
And I made mistakes in pronunciation and am not able to speak. My English level is very weak. But after 5 days training and the guidelines given by our master trainers, we were encouraged to overcome our hesitation and I tried to speak in English. We are all thankful to both our master trainers that they made their
Hello everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Goswami Soman. I am assistant teacher in CS Naya Barautenda. Today I am going to present the feedback of our 4 days of training here, and I would like to thank Anand sir and Vicky ma'am for giving me this opportunity to speak. Today and last 3 days the session of our spoken English training, which was started singing inspirational songs and Rajiki.
Time to move your
Feet.
Now, I would like to call the Mr. Manji boys for their
The Marzi boys.
Drama. Now it's time for the drama. The drama is performed by the Roshan Puri sir and
I am Yamraj. We come earth and all human be carefully. I am Yamraj. Yamraj is back.
Yes, Maharaj. Yes, Maharaj. I am
Chitragupta.
I am your dad. This is my Nepatutha.
Chitragupta.
Ji Maharaj, that is correct.
Who came here the first of the earth?
Ji Maharaj. First of all, I can see my Nepatutha. After then, I speak.
Yes.
Yes, Maharaj.
Yes.
Maharaj, Yamraj, today was of a shopkeeper camp who in his whole life saw the things, royal pieces,
Please.
and mixed pearls with stones.
Please come.
This is shopkeeper Yamraj.
Chitragupta. Shopkeeper. Feed him 100 lifetime hunter. Send him to hell.
Yes, Maharaj. You go.
Chitragupta.
Yes, Maharaj.
Who came earth the second?
Yes, Maharaj. I can see my Nepatutha. Maharaj, today's second creator is a famous drinker.
Hey.
Drink. Do you?
I am so happy in the world. I am not caring everybody. I am caring but only me.
Let's go.
Happy
Yes, Maharaj.
anytime, anywhere. My bottle is under the every.
Do you want to say, Maharaj? Do you want to say about this drinker?
You are all-time drink and alcoholic. You?
अपन का कुछ नहीं होता. Anytime, every time happy.
100 times hunter and send me to hell.
Of course, Maharaj. Yes, my lord. You go the hell.
Chitragut,
Yes,
who
Maharaj.
came here the third?
Yes, Maharaj. I want to speak. She
Yes.
is only dance and sing. She is dance and in whole life only can be dance and sing.
You lifetime dance and dance. You lifetime dance and dance.
Yes, Maharaj.
Very well. Him 100, hit him 100 time hunter and this send him to hell.
Of course, Maharaj. You go. You want to say, Maharaj?
Fourth, who came here the fourth?
Of course, Maharaj. He is a good teacher. He sacrificed whole in his life for service to make in society. Come. Please.
Morning, Kinder.
Good morning, sir. Fine, sir.
Good afternoon.
You all time
Teaching.
teacher working and social working and many good work. To go?
Yes, Maharaj.
Lovely. सोना का रास्ता दिखाया गया. Entertainment is बोला. Send me. Send him to heaven. Heaven. Thank you. Watching our drama and Yamraj Darbar.
I'm going to. I have a lunch time. So my friends and everyone lunch time. This food is very special and today is very special. So guys, it's a very special day. Then we will meet again after lunch. So guys. So our lunch is done, guys, and we rejoined the program.
For Karma dance. For Karma dance, Nandini ma'am and their group. Nandini ma'am and group. what we have done. This is what I perceive in last 4 days. This is my personal opinion. You want to hear this? First is the value of this session. You guys, even I am first time attending this type of session. But if anyone wants to learn, the value of this session is, have you know about the Salman Khan? Everybody knows about the Salman Khan. And his father is Salim Khan. This Salim Khan. And they migrated from 1800 from Afghanistan to here. And you all knows that Salim Khan is a good writer. When they lived in Indore, I want just to tell that this session how valuable. When his father was DSP in the Imperial Army, and when he was to learn the English, the Statesman is a newspaper which his father brings from the Calcutta just to teach his son. So at that time that is so difficult to reach out that language. Now it is common. We have a iPhone, YouTube, even newspapers, books are available. So we have to respect this session and all the matters we have got. And now the importance of the language. Language, anybody can learn any language. If a British person, if a student or child from the here bring and brought up in London, he absolutely knows the language of there. But and a British person bring and brought up in here, so it's totally depend upon the atmosphere. So we have to create our atmosphere, otherwise it is impossible. They, sir and madam, just give us the trajectory and the momentum. Now it's our responsibility to get involved in all these things and try to create an atmosphere around us so that we learn and we reach from this level to another level. And this is my purpose.
The great showman of Bollywood, Raj Kapoor, once he has said, the show must go on. And that was actually the dialogue of Shakespeare's drama, that the show must go on. And the show must go on. It's just, I would say it's just a stop. It's not the destination of the journey. The journey must go on. Whatever we have taught you, it might be like this. We might have taught you something else or something more which you are not aware about, or we have taught the things, we have given the things which you are already knowing. That doesn't matter. If you have achieved something from this session, so that is to be imparted. Knowledge is what? Knowledge is all about imparting. Think about the situation when we talk about mythological period. We say we believe Hinduism is what based on Manusmriti. We believe on that, and we also discuss about Sushrut Samhita. What is Sushrut Samhita? जो सुना गया, और अगर वो सुनकर पास नहीं किया जाता तो क्या होता? अगर वो सुनकर पास नहीं किया जाता तब क्या होता? My question is कि अगर उसको सुना ही नहीं जाता तो पास का वो वही खत्म हो जाता. It is the same thing. Knowledge is what? I used to be with the missionaries. I have worked with the missionaries. Their vision is different about education. They consider education is what? It's the duty and social service. It's a part of their social service. So they used to tell us teaching is the vocation. It's not 4 दिनों में we might have done something good, और हो सकता है कि unintentionally हमने कुछ ऐसा किया होगा जिससे आपको बुरा लगा, तो for that I apology. Extremely sorry from our side, और I would like to also extend my gratitude to Mrs. Dipti Gaidale. कम बोलती हूँ लेकिन काम बहुत ज़्यादा करती है, ठीक है. और हम जाएंगे, और हम कल मैं प्रांजल जा रहे थे, प्रांजल का स्टोरी कि हमारे पास कोई लिरिसिस्ट भी है ग्रुप में, जिसमें गाना ऐसा है, सुर पपड़े से सांसों का जी नदी मचूरी डरे से, सुर पपड़े से सांसों का जी मचूरी डरे से. इस बात कुछ और है, ठीक है, ट्यून याद है, बाकी आवाज ही अनामिका नंबर एक शायर है, उनकी एक मुक्तक है, उससे मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ कि उनका मुक्तक है कि मैं तेरा नाम हो जाऊँ तो मेरा नाम हो जाए, मैं तेरा नाम हो जाऊँ तो मेरा नाम हो जाए, मैं तेरा दाम हो जाऊँ तो मेरा दाम हो जाए, न मीरा सा न राधा सा विरह मंजूर है मुझको, न मीरा सा न राधा सा विरह मंजूर है मुझको, बनूं मैं रुक्मणी तेरी तो मेरा श्याम हो जाए, बनूं मैं रुक्मणी तेरी तो मेरा श्याम हो जाए। मेरी लाइन जो है वो इससे कनेक्ट करते हैं। मेरी लाइन ऐसी है कि जो तुम्हें पूर्ण आश्वस्त कर दे मैं ऐसे वचन कहाँ से लाऊं, जो तुम्हें पूर्ण आश्वस्त कर दे मैं ऐसे वचन कहाँ से लाऊं, और जिसमें दिखा सकूं मैं अपना मन, मैं वो दर्पण कहाँ से लाऊं, और मेरे मन में तो मोहन सी मूरत है तुम्हारी, मेरे मन में तो मोहन सी मूरत है तुम्हारी, मैं अपने प्रेम में निराशा समर्पण कहाँ से लाऊं, मैं अपने प्रेम में निराशा समर्पण। मैं समय सदृश हूँ, नियति रुकना नहीं, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, रहे ध्यान मान का निज के सम्मान का, रहे ध्यान मान का निज के सम्मान का, रहे मार्ग बाधित भरे सिलाएं हो अड़ी हुई, उद्वेग से उद्विग्न होकर नदी सी उछाल ले, चीर छाती पर्वतों की झरने सा बहना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है। तो कभी मन निराश हो जाए और बहुत परेशानी हो जीवन में, तब ये पंक्तियाँ बहुत प्रेरित करती हैं कि बादल हो गिरे हुए श्याम रंग रंगे हुए, बादल हो गिरे हुए श्याम रंग रंगे हुए, गर्जना उम्मीद की डरा डरा समन रहे, चपला चपल रहे विभत्स चटकार, बिजली को चपला करे। ठीक है, गर्जना उम्मीद की डरा डरा समन रहे, चपला चपल रहे विभत्स चित्कार, सूर्य की किरण की भांति पल में तम को भरना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है। और जब मन बहुत उदास होता, मन हो उदास भले शून्य सा निराश हो, मन हो उदास भले शून्य सा निराश हो, निर्जन सा लोग लगे मनुष्य न कोई साथ हो, भय को त्याग कर स्वयं का बल बन तू चल, भय को त्याग कर स्वयं का बल बन तू चल, स्वयं की राह पर स्वयं की आत्मबल से बढ़ना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, आदि से और प्रचंड चाहे रात्रि हो, अंत जिसका दूर हो, प्रदीप्त कोई कण न हो, प्रकाश एक क्षण न हो, दिखाई देता कुछ न हो, सुझाई देता कुछ न हो, शीतल सी आभा लिए मयंक को मुक्त करना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है। और महाभारत में कैरेक्टर जब आऊँगा उस पंक्ति में आपको समझ में आएगा कि वो देह भरा घाव से माथे से वो देह भरा घाव से माथे से लघु टपकता हो, वो जीवन का रंग सजा हुआ शत्रु की सेना सीमित हो, अभिमन्यु की भांति अंतिम श्वास वीरता से परिचित, अभिमन्यु की भांति अंतिम सांस वीरता से परिचित हो, रण में रण छोड़ नहीं बनना, वीर गति को करना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है। और हम सबसे अपने आप से एक वादा करते हैं कि हम ये काम करेंगे और जीवन में आगे बढ़ेंगे कि गिरूंगा उठूंगा मैं, गिरकर उठूंगा मैं, बिखर कर संवरना है, गिरकर उठूंगा मैं, बिखर कर संवरना है, टक्कर के ज्वाला में कुंदन बन निखरना है, उड़ान मेरी है क्षितिज के पार तक उतरना है, उड़ान मेरी है क्षितिज के पार तक उतरना है, तू हटी मैं विद्या से नहीं तो मुझको डरना है, तू हटी मैं विद्या से नहीं तो मुझको डरना है, आदि से अनंत तक सदैव मुझको चलना है। तो हम जाएंगे और जाते जाते हम इस वीडियो हमेशा एक बहुत अच्छे गीत के साथ खत्म करते हैं, आज भी एक बहुत अच्छे गीत के साथ जाएंगे। और याद रखिएगा हम जहाँ भी मिलें, अगर हम नहीं पहचान रहे हैं प्लीज़ डू रिमाइंड अस, आप आकर बताइएगा सर हम खेल, ठीक है। वैसे मेरी मेमोरी बहुत